with 22,174 miles. This is the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse LT Cloth. You can actually hit this home icon and connect your smartphone, and you got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual climate control, a leather wrapped steering wheel. That's your door panel and the color here. You can come see this vehicle in person, 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304. There you go, over $7 million of an upgrade of a brand new dealership. Inviting you to come on in. I want to show you all these highlights of this vehicle. It's in phenomenal shape. Couldn't believe the miles when I saw it, well under the average. Recommended by Kelly Blue Book, a trusted source since 1926 to be at 31,500. Whoever you're speaking with, they'll be sure to help you out. I just want to make sure I point out these things like your LED turn signals. You have your blindside information right there. You have a custom dash designs that we just left on there. It looks really nice. Helps protect the off-gassing that goes onto that windshield there. See that silver button right there? That's going to help you access the third row. This looks like it was never even really used much, so they kept that on there. But if you pull here, what that'll do is that'll lift up and help you get into your third row, which again looks and feels brand spanking new. We're open 7 days a week here, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Holidays and Sundays we're here from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Please let me know when you can make it in here by contacting me directly, TracyHondaInsider at TracyHonda.com. If you actually pop this off right here, I'll give this a little twist just to show you. You can give that a little pop, and then what usually happens when you have a tow package, that's where the tow package would be hooked up with. But just because it's been asked, I wanted to show that this one does not have it. However, you can get it custom installed by one of your favorite third-party manufacturers, or take it to a certified GM dealership. They'd be happy to help you out there as well. For the most part, everything looks great. Lift this up. This is the first SUV with a trunk in there. So this happens to be the 7-passenger model, as you can see from the videos. As long as this vehicle is unlocked, you have the capless fuel filler as well. Takes 87 octane on this vehicle. Great shape. Looks good, smells good. No odors, no smells, no rips, no tears, no punctures. You got these 2 captain chairs here as well. Rear climate control and the rear ventilation as well. One more time, just want to back up and give you a highlight once again. Close this on the back here. I'll go ahead and pop that on and see you just give it a little twist and then it locks in place. You grab the handle here, you let it close. February 2026, going to help you out tremendously. Look forward to seeing you here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out all the videos we have. Once they're here in stock, we make sure that we put them on this website for you. Don't forget to share it with somebody who you know is looking for a great vehicle, and it's a great deal too. What a great experience waiting for you at Tracy Honda.